Are 4 tools enough for you on the U1? If not, how about adding a movable rack with some more? I suppose you could replace the tools with Bondtech Index. What would be nice is if Snapmaker provided a bigger version, with room for more tools. A second gantry would be useful too. The easiest solution would be some AMS type box turtles. Or even better, a Snapmaker tool sharing solution, but both of these would create more waste. How about a double row of Bondtech indexes? 12 tools would be nice. Animation made in Blender by Dave Wood.